Both Realme and OnePlus have carved out a strong presence in the TWS market. The new Realme Buds Air 7 come with an updated design and continue to offer LHDC support at an affordable price point. So, can these earbuds dethrone my previous favorite in this price range, the Nord Buds 3 Pro? Let me break it down for you. But hey, before I begin, kindly hit that subscribe button for more high-quality gadget comparisons like this one. Let's start with how they look and feel. The Realme Buds Air 7 looks nothing like the older model. Gone is the oval case, and instead you have a new rectangular unit with a transparent upper part. It looks quite funky, although the transparent lid feels quite plasticky. You can opt for the available ivory gold color if you don't want this transparent lid. The case is also bigger than that of its predecessor, which is because of a bigger battery, but we will talk about it later on in the video. The OnePlus Nord Buds 3 Pro feel a bit more refined. The case has a matte lid and a speckled design at the bottom. It feels nicer and more compact in the hand. Both earbuds are also periscope style, but the Nord Buds 3 Pro have a thicker A-shaped stem. Fit-wise, both are solid, but I found the Realme Buds a bit more comfortable over extended use. However, the durability rating on both is IP55, which is fine but could have been better. Anyway, both earbuds have touch gestures. You can tap to play or pause, switch modes and all that. The good thing is that the taps can be customized on both as well, which adds to convenience. The two earbuds also have wear detection, which is incredibly handy. Both buds also support apps. Realme Link for the Buds Air 7 and Hey Melody for the Nord Buds 3 Pro. The two apps work on Android and iOS and let you switch between noise modes, tweak EQ and pair with two devices at once. Now let's get into the sound. Even though both earbuds use 12.4mm drivers, they don't sound the same. Right out of the box, OnePlus goes big on bass. The low end hits harder, giving tracks a heavy and punchy feel. The Realme is a lot brighter and strikes a better balance according to me. Treble is also where Realme brings a bit more sparkle. In the mids, OnePlus pulls a bit ahead. Vocals sit front and center, which means it is great for podcasts, acoustic music or anything that's voice heavy. But when it comes to instrument separation and detail, Realme wins yet again, especially if your phone supports LHDC. Yup, the Realme Buds 7 Pro are still one of the most affordable earbuds with LHDC support. On the other hand, the Nord Buds 3 Pro don't have any high-res codec. Anyway, at full volume, both buds stay clean and I did not notice any distortion. But the Realme Buds Air 7 win the sound battle thanks to their extensive audio tuning options. Beyond EQs, you can also adjust the lows, mids and highs on them, giving you more control over the sound. So, the Realme Buds Air 7 offer a more detailed sound with better comfort over long listening sessions. On the other hand, the OnePlus Nord Buds 3 Pro are built for bass heads. Okay, call quality is often a major caveat with affordable TWS earbuds. So, how do these two perform? Well, Realme does a great job with wind suppression. Your voice stays clean even with background noise. Some ambient sounds still get through, but it is manageable. OnePlus also cancels noise, but it is a bit more inconsistent. Voices come through fine, but it is not quite at the level of Realme in tricky environments. That being said, I won't say that call quality on either of these earbuds matches that of a smartphone. While Realme is better of these two, it still falls short of being truly impressive. Then, for gaming, the claimed latency is 45 milliseconds on Realme and 47 milliseconds on OnePlus. These earbuds mostly work great for gaming, but I have noticed occasional delay during gameplay on both. Moving on, Realme says that the Buds Air 7 can cancel up to 52 decibels of noise, while the Nord Buds 3 Pro have up to 49 decibels of ANC. Both buds do a good job with cutting out low to medium frequency noises, like that in a cafe. Although, transparency mode is a clear win for the Realme Buds Air 7 because it sounds a lot more natural on these buds. Now, let's address why the Realme Buds Air 7's case is so big. Well, because there's up to 52 hours of combined battery life on offer, which frankly is mind-blowing. Per earbud, you get up to 7.5 hours with ANC on and 13 hours with ANC off. Although these figures will reduce if you use LHDC codec. But honestly, it was still impossible for me to kill these earbuds during the time of my testing, so I'll just take Realme's word for it. The Nord Buds 3 Pro offer up to 44 hours of combined battery life with ANC off and up to 20 hours with ANC on. I've been using the Nord Buds 3 Pro for quite some time now, and these earbuds easily last me around a week with medium to heavy use. But yeah, they can't keep up with the Buds Air 7. So, have the Nord Buds 3 Pro been dethroned? Well, yes. If you want better sound, Much better battery life and good transparency mode, the Realme Buds Air 7 are the better pick. But if you care more about how your earbuds look and feel, or if you use a OnePlus smartphone, the Nord Buds 3 Pro might suit you better. But the Nord Buds 3 Pro have seen a price drop of late, so they might tempt many of you. Let me know which one out of these two earbuds are you going for. And if you've used either of these, do drop your thoughts down in the comments.